trees and leaves are great ways to organize things. In the past, TechIDManager had a list of credentials that were managed for each technician. There was a search button, there were search bars you could type in. It really helped find those very quickly. We have added to that a tree structure. So if you look at the tech client here, on the far left, you see here we have this tree. We have Ruffian. We have stuff that is in the Ruffian tree and below. We have stuff in this internal leaf, and we have this external leaf. We have stuff under development. Everything on the Goldfish domain or Goldfish network is under Goldfish, 𝗂𝗁𝗃, 𝗔𝗰𝗶𝗀. You can organize your managed credentials, your managed passwords, into the tree, any tree structure that you define as many levels as you want it to be. That looks like in the management console, you go into the agents, you have all the agents there, and there's the leaf listed right here. When you look at the details for an agent, on the top right corner here is a leaf section. You can set this to be anything you want. The dots separate the levels on the tree, and if you want to make a new one, you just make a new one. So let's put, say, this one, I don't know, this one, in the leaf test server. We update that leaf, and then this is live. If we go back here and we refresh this, we see now we have a test server section in that tree at the top because there are no dots. All the credentials that you put the leaf of test server will show up here. So if you want to add an agent to that, let's put, I don't know, those are already somewhere else. Let's put this one. Test server. Update the leaf on it. If we go back to the tech client, we click refresh, we now see that that agent is also in the test server. So when you type, you'll search in those. It's a good way to break down the categorization of where all these agents are. If you use TechIDManager to make unique accounts on individual Windows machines at different sites or different clients, and you want to organize those into a tree, we have that structure here to help you organize in any way that you want. And there's always, all at the top has everything. Any higher level trees like Ruffian shows everything in any of the leaves below it. So if you had an organization, a client such as, you want to know all your development clients, these are all the development clients. You know specifically which machines on the 𝗂𝗁𝗃 client, you can see them here. All right. This is the first iteration of trees and leaves inside TechIDManager. In the future, I'll give you a little preview here because I love teasing things. In the future, when we integrate with specific RMMs, we hope to pull the tree structure and organization from the RMM and the agents there directly in and just mirror what's in the RMM so that you can have matching trees and find things and get live updates. That's what that is. There's a tree and it has leaves, and that's that feature. I think it's super useful. I remember when I worked at MSP, things being organized like that was very helpful.